This is my first ever long video. I hope you guys like it. Let's welcome to the artist world. In this room, everything is made by me, even the walls of the room. Of course, also credit goes to my bro helping me in this. These paintings are made by me. This one is my first oil painting and that girl painting is first acrylic painting. One thing I must say that I'm blessed because whenever I make good paintings and while doing that, if I don't like any part, but in the last, I don't know how the painting looks amazing, eye catching. This one is my first ever glass window painting. Recent painting for this painting, I take inspiration from Pinterest, and this is the painting I am currently working on. This is the first ever raging clock wall. This is the table on which I made my artwork. There's this cute pen holder which is gifted and that new one I bought from Mr. DIY. As an artist, I love to collect everything like brushes, pen and many more. I have every type brush like oil painting brush, acrylic brush, water brush and water painting brush and a lot more brushes. Are you excited to see what is in my drawer? Let's see. Sketch pad, painting pad, neon color pen, watercolor and my favorite acrylic markers. You know, I currently obsessed with acrylic marker, ball pen which I recently bought from famous Amina market. Here is my key. Let's open door. Here is my resin which I brought from Amina Bar. This is 3D pen which I brought from Flipkart and let's move to my silicone mold. These are alphabet mold, earring mold and this round mold I have made a lot using this my family photo frame. And now, these beautiful bangles, which I made from resin, they are so beautiful. In fact, my entire family loved it a lot. Let's go to another room. These my other type painting, acrylic and poster, which have different seeds for different color. This is another place. I know it's look like messy, but guys, see my collection. Somewhere and I used it as my earring holder. And everyone loved it because it's difficult to keep long earrings. Last but not least, this is my cute little sharpener. Guys, what you like in this video? If you want more videos and want to see my art supplies in more detail, comment down. Please like and subscribe. I hope you like it. Thank you.